Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're diving into the Navy Federal Credit Union app, the mobile banking solution for members of one of the largest credit unions in the US. If you're wondering whether this app is worth using for managing your finances, we'll break down its features, pros and cons, and what you can expect. The Navy Federal app offers a wide range of banking tools designed specifically for its members. With the app, users can check their account balances, transfer funds, pay bills, deposit checks using mobile deposit, and even apply for loans. One standout feature is Zelle integration, allowing fast and secure money transfers. The app also supports card controls, enabling users to lock and unlock their debit or credit cards instantly if lost or stolen. Additionally, members can set up alerts to monitor account activity and get notified of transactions in real time. A major advantage of the Navy Federal app is its user-friendly interface. The dashboard is intuitive, making it easy to navigate between different banking functions. Security is also a top priority, with biometric login options like fingerprint and facial recognition, as well as two-factor authentication for added protection. Many members appreciate the app's reliability and the ability to handle nearly all banking needs without visiting a branch. Customer service is accessible through the app as well, offering messaging and contact options for quick assistance. However, there are some downsides. Some users have reported occasional login issues or technical glitches, particularly after app updates. While Zelle integration is a plus, external transfers to other banks can sometimes take longer than expected. Additionally, while the app covers most banking needs, certain features like advanced budgeting tools or investment options may not be as robust as those found in other financial apps. Overall, the Navy Federal Credit Union app is a solid choice for members who want a convenient and secure way to manage their finances. It provides essential banking services with an easy-to-use interface and strong security measures. While there are occasional technical issues, the app remains a reliable option for everyday banking. If you're a Navy Federal member, this app is definitely worth considering. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.